This sustainable 100 square meter retrofit by Project V Architecture transforms a Sarajevo apartment set in an Austro-Hungarian era courtyard block into a warm, immersive world crafted from natural materials. Designed for a young family, the home features cherry wood linings, clay-painted walls, stone worktops, linen curtains, travertine, and minimalist detailing. Its most surprising element, a bespoke prefabricated children's treehouse made from spruce glulam. The apartment evokes a sense of timelessness, building on a rich history of minimalism and 20th century modernism from Sarajevo, and hosts a curated selection of contemporary Bosnian craft and artwork throughout.
Central to the project is the concept of groundedness, expressed through a continuous cherry veneer wall element that rises from the floor and wraps around the entire apartment at varying datum heights. Resembling a horizon line, this seamless wood element evokes a miniature forest, connecting the inhabitants to the ground and nature, merging utility with poetics, and creating a calming environment. The hallway acts as a threshold, a space to pause, lined in clay paint and flush cherry cabinetry rising to a datum above the doorways. Each doorway is a cherry-clad portal into rooms with subtly distinct characteristics, unified by a common materiality. At the west end of the apartment, a whimsical yet refined treehouse emerges, a sanctuary for play and imagination. Overlooking the courtyard, as if perched in a tree, it is constructed with locally sourced, prefabricated spruce GLT, working with Kravaja Homes, a Bosnian mass timber construction factory. The treehouse is miniature architecture, a cross between large furniture and a small house, scaled to a child's perspective, utilizing the apartment's tall ceilings, with multiple levels, a lofted space, built-in stairs, and CNC'd openings that filter light and views, encouraging movement and interaction. Built with precision and care, its construction connects to Bosnia's rich wood-building heritage, offering both a playful retreat and an inspiring early encounter with sustainable design. The apartment showcases a curated selection of handcrafted furniture and art, celebrating contemporary craftsmanship from Bosnia and Herzegovina, including Zanit and artisan, as well as working with independent craftspeople and ceramic artists to create bespoke pieces and inbuilt features. Artworks by Bosnia-based artists Mohamed Bajramovic and Kemal Bektesi are integrated throughout. The kitchen and living room have been merged into one large space, filled with Eastern light. Floor-to-ceiling linen curtains allow for varied levels of intimacy and openness between the two spaces, while offering a sense of theatricality in which the space can adapt fluidly for everyday use or entertaining. Here, the cherry ribbon climbs up to form sculptural wooden columns that meet the ceiling and frame the dining area. Functional elements are hidden within the surrounding cabinetry, leaving a clean, minimalist space.